Unboxing the new Badlands Winch. This is where the music plays. Whoa! Always a plus. I never use them, but it's a plus to get. I'm probably gonna need that. Cord, hook, wireless remote, nice. Styrofoam. This is cool. Can you see? Sneak peek, sneak peek. Huh? There you go. All right, guys, there she is. Whoa! I think the first thing we should do is ceramic coat this thing. Like always, we're gonna spray it down with rubbing alcohol and then coat it nice. We're gonna use this System X Max G. That's right. Let's get started. All right, once we got it wiped down with alcohol, we are gonna take some of our coating here. Figure if we coat it now, it'll look nice later. A lot easier to coat it off the truck than on as well. Gonna shine this bad boy out. It'll be a lot easier to clean the winch too down the road. Pretty easy coat on this. And this System X Max G is awesome. It is by far the best ceramic I've ever used. Again, it has to be done by a certified installer. It is not sold to the public. I am a certified installer. If you do live in southern Utah or southern Nevada, I would be happy to hook you up. So I'll leave a link in the description down below on how to get a hold of us. Cover this little bracket too. Not real hot today, which is kind of nice. We don't have to be in a super big hurry to coat this. All right, and we just wipe it down. This one. Guys, once you go ceramic, you never go back. Oh, I can see I missed a spot. We'll just take care of it real quick. Not a big deal. At least we know she's protected before we get her all hooked up. So when you're done, guys, throw your ceramic rags out. They're no good. They will scratch your cars. You can use them as grease rags or cleaning rags for your house or give them to a friend. But if you're in the detail business, just make sure they're not with your good rags. And just like that, let's bring you over here. Look at the shine on that thing. Tell you, that's the best looking one of these around. Whoa!